Today we see next application of derivative, that is the approximation. म्हणजे approximate value find करण्यासाठी पण आपण derivative चा यूज करू शकतो. That means for example suppose root of any term or cube root or sine of any angle we can find by using derivatives. To find approximate value of any function, what is the process that we see? If f of x is a differentiable function of x, then its derivative at x equal to a is given by. आपल्याला म्हणजे कुठल्याही फंक्शनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपण लिमिटच्या फॉर्म्युल्याने सॉल्व करतो. दॅट इज f dash of a is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a upon h. आता इथे अप्रॉक्सिमेशन साइन काढण्यासाठी आपण इक्वल टू च्या ऐवजी हे साइन यूज करू. Now sufficiently small h, we can cancel this limit and we get f dash of a approximately equal to f of a plus h minus f of a upon h. Taking cross multiplication, h f dash of a is equal to f of a plus h minus f of a. Now f of a plus h is equal to ही टर्म आपण लेफ्ट साइडला शिफ्ट करू म्हणजे आपल्याला रिलेशन मिळणार f of a plus h f dash of a. That is f of a plus h equal to f of a plus h f dash of a, and that is the formula to find approximate value. म्हणजे ज्या टर्मची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला फाइंड करायची ती टर्म आपल्याला a plus h अशी कन्सिडर करून a आणि h सेपरेट काढायचा आणि मग ह्या फॉर्म्युल्याने आपल्याला त्याची अप्रॉक्सिमेट व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करता येईल. आता एक्झाम्पल घेतल्यानंतर एक्झॅक्टली त्याची प्रोसेस आपल्याला कळेल. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड अप्रॉक्सिमेट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ रूट अंडर 64.1. रूट अंडर 64.1 ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला डेरिव्हेटिव्हचा यूज करून कॅल्क्युलेट करायची. मग आता ज्याची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायची त्याला आपण आधी f of x असं कन्सिडर करू. दॅट इज लेट f of x इज इक्वल टू रूट x. म्हणजे ही जी टर्म आहे ती सुरुवातीला आपण x अशी कन्सिडर केली टू फाइंड द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. नाउ डिफरन्शिएट इट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. f dash of x is equal to root x a derivative 1 upon 2 root x. We write it as equation 1 and this one is equation 2. Now let what we have to find a plus h is equal to 64.1. म्हणजे आपल्याला 64.1 ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची त्याला आपण a plus h. आता ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण a आणि h वेगळा काढू. a म्हणजे 64 आणि h आपल्याला स्मॉलेस्ट व्हॅल्यू कन्सिडर करायची दॅट इज 0.1. हा फक्त 1 आपण बाजूला घेतला दॅट इज 0.1 मीन्स वी गेट a equal to 64 and h equal to 0.1. Now we put this value of a in equation 1 and equation 2. We get f of a, that is f of 64 is equal to root under 64. म्हणजे आपण x च्या जागेवर a पुट करतोय म्हणजे 64 पुट करतोय. मग रूट अंडर 64 is equal to 8. Now put in second also f dash of a, that is f dash of 64 is equal to 1 upon 2 root under 64. The value of root 64 is 8. 8 into 16, 8 into 2 16. Now we get f of a and f dash of a. We write the formula that is f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h f dash of a. आता a plus h म्हणजे आपण काय कन्सिडर केलेलं आहे 64.1 is equal to f of a ची व्हॅल्यू आली 8 plus h 0.1 आणि f dash of a ची व्हॅल्यू आहे 1/16. that is equal to 8 plus 0.1. आता ही 1/16 ची व्हॅल्यू 16 ने 1 ला डिवाइड करायचं आहे and that we get 0.0625 is equal to 8 plus 0.1 ने ह्याला मल्टिप्लाय करा we get 0.00625 and now take addition 8 plus 0.00625 means 8.00625. That means the approximate value of f of 64.1 means root 64.1 is 8.00625. Find the approximate value of 3.98 bracket cube. Now here we consider f of x is equal to x cube. इथे आपल्याला क्यूबची व्हॅल्यू काढायची म्हणून आपण ह्याला x क्यूब असं कन्सिडर करू. नाउ वी डिफरन्शिएट इट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूबचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 3x². नाउ वी कन्सिडर द गिवन व्हॅल्यू ॲज a प्लस h इक्वल टू 3.98. आता या 3.98ला आपल्याला असं स्किप करायचं आहे, म्हणजेच इथे दॅट मीन्स वी गेट h इक्वल टू अ स्मॉलेस्ट व्हॅल्यू. मग आता इथे जर आपण 3 प्लस 0.98 असं घेतलं तर हा 98 खूप मोठा नंबर येईल. इन प्लेस ऑफ दॅट वी राईट हिअर 4 मायनस 0.02. 4 minus 0.02 is 3.98. That means here we get a equal to 4 and h equal to not only 0.02 but minus 0.02. Now we put this value of a in equation 1 and also in 2. Then f of a means f of 4 is equal to 4 cube, that is equal to 64, and f dash of a that is equal to f dash of 4 means 3 4 square is equal to 16 into 3 48. Now we write formula for approximation. Therefore f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h f dash of a. f of a ची व्हॅल्यू 64, h ची व्हॅल्यू minus 0.02, f dash of a is 48 and f of a plus h that is 3.98. Means we get here f of 3.98 is equal to 64 plus minus 48 into 2 is 0.96. आता 64 मधून आपल्याला 0.96 मायनस करायचे and that we get here 63.04. means the approximate value of, इथे इक्वल टू च्या ऐवजी आपण approximate साइन घेणार आहोत. that means approximate value of f of 3.98 is 63.04. means the cube root of 3.98 is equal to 63.04. Next example is find approximate value of fifth root of 31.28. That means here we have to consider let f of x is equal to fifth root of 31.28. In place of 31.28, f of x we consider, that means fifth root of x. That means x raised to 1 upon 5. Fifth root म्हणजे x raised to 1 upon 5. Now we differentiate it with respect to x. x raised to n चा formula n x raised to n minus 1. That is 1 by 5 x raised to, इथे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करून minus 4 by 5. After finding f of x and f dash of x, now we write the given term constant, that is a plus h is equal to 31.28. आता इथे 31.28 ला असं स्प्लिट करायचं आहे ज्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला h ची व्हॅल्यू स्मॉलेस्ट आली पाहिजे. मग जर आपण इथे 31.0.28 घेतला तर 31 चा फिफ्थ रूट आपल्याला काढता नाही येणार. देअरफॉर वी राईट 32 मायनस 0.72 म्हणजेच 28 अशी व्हॅल्यू येईल. दॅट इज a इक्वल टू 32 अँड h इक्वल टू minus 0.72. Now we put this value of a in our equation 1 and also in 2. f of a equal to, that is f of 32 is equal to a raised to म्हणजेच 32 raised to 1 by 5. We know that 32 is 2 raised to 5 raised to 1 by 5. 5 get cancelled and the answer is 2. Now we put the value of a in f dash, that is f dash of 32 is equal to 1 by 5 32 raised to minus 4 by 5. Again we simplify that answer. F dash of a is equal to 1 by 5. 32 is 2 raised to 5 raised to minus 4 by 5. 5 get cancelled. 1 by 5. 2 raised to minus 4. But we can't calculate 2 raised to minus 4. That we write 1 by 5 into 1 upon 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16. 16 into 5 is 80. 1/80. Now we write the approximation formula. F of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h f dash of a. That is equal to f of 31.28 is equal to f of a ची व्हॅल्यू आपण फाइंड केली आहे 2 प्लस h ची व्हॅल्यू आपण कन्सिडर केली आहे -0.72 आणि f dash of a ची व्हॅल्यू 1/80. That is equal to 2 minus 0.72 divided by 80. आता याला आपण 8 ने सिम्प्लिफाय करू. दॅट मीन्स वी गेट 2 मायनस 8 ने ह्याला डिवाइड केलं तर 0.09 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 म्हणजेच 2 मायनस 0.009 दॅट इज इक्वल टू 1.991 मीन्स फिफ्थ रूट ऑफ 31.28 approximately equal to 1.991. Next is find approximate value of f of x equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 2x plus 3 at x equal to 1.98. Now we consider f of x equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 2x plus 3. आता इथे आपल्याला f of x ची व्हॅल्यू ऑलरेडी दिलेली आहे. आपल्याला डायरेक्ट डिफरन्शिएशन घ्यायचं. f dash of x equal to x cube चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 3x square plus 5x square चा 2x minus 2x1 plus 3 चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 0. That is equal to 3x square plus 10x minus 2. Now we consider the given value as a plus h. Therefore, a plus h equal to 1.98. आता ह्या 1.98 ला आपण कन्सिडर करू 2 minus 0.02. Then a equal to 2 and h equal to minus 0.02. Now we put this value of a in f of x and f dash of x. That is f of a is f of 2 is equal to 2 cube plus 5 into 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 3. 8 plus 4 into 5 20 minus 4 plus 3 is equal to 31 minus 4. 8 plus 20 plus 3. 31 minus 4 is 27. Now by the same process we find f dash of a. 3 f dash of 2 is equal to 3 2 square plus 10 into 2 minus 2. 4 into 3 12 plus 20 minus 2. That is equal to 30. Now we write formula for approximation. F of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h f dash of a. f of a ची व्हॅल्यू 27, h ची व्हॅल्यू -0.02, f dash of a is 30. 27 minus 0.02 into 30 is 0.6 is equal to 26.4 means the approximate value of the given function at 1.98 is equal to 26.4. Similar question we see again, that is given f of x equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 7x plus 10. Differentiate it with respect to x, that is equal to 3x square plus 5 into 2x minus 7 into 1 plus 0. Equation 1, and the second is 3x square plus 10x minus 7. Now we consider the given value as a plus h 1.12. That we write as 1 plus 0.12 means the value of a is 1 and h is equal to 0.12. Now f of a, that is f of 1, is equal to 1 cube plus 5 into 1 square minus 7 into 1 plus 10 is equal to 1 plus 5 minus 7 plus 10 is equal to 1 plus 5, 6 minus 7 minus 1 plus 10 is 9. Now f dash of a, that is f dash of 1, is equal to 3 into 1 square plus 10 into 1 minus 7. 3 plus 10 minus 7. 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. Now we write the formula for approximation. F of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h f dash of a. F of a is 9 plus h is 0.12 and f dash of a is 6. That is 9 plus 0.12 into 6 is 0.72. That is equal to 9.72. Means the approximate value of function at 1.12 is equal to 9.72. Now these are some examples for practice. Find approximate value of the following. First is root under 8.95, second is cube root of 28, third is 3.97 raised to 4, fourth is 4.01 raised to 3, and f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 5 at 1.99.